This video shows you how to replace the battery in your 2016-2021 Mitsubishi Outlander key fob. Replacing it yourself is a simple DIY task that can save you money compared to dealership service costs. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery, which is widely available and inexpensive. Let's get started. The 2016-2021 Mitsubishi Outlander key fob requires a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. It's a 3 volts battery that's readily available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. Make sure to purchase a quality brand like Panasonic or Energizer for better longevity and reliability. Avoid generic or very cheap batteries. You'll need minimal tools for this replacement. Primarily, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool. Using a plastic tool helps prevent scratches on the fob casing. Optional items include gloves to keep the battery and fob clean from fingerprints, and a soft cloth to wipe down the fob. Locate the small notch or seam on your key fob. It's typically found on the back or side of the fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or prying tool into the notch and carefully pry open the case. Be cautious to avoid excessive force, as the plastic can be fragile. Models may have a snap fit 2016-2018 or a slight hinge 2019-2021. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side usually faces up towards the circuit board. Use the screwdriver to gently lift the old battery out of its compartment. Be careful not to damage the surrounding components. Place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure that the battery is seated firmly and securely in place. A loose battery can cause intermittent fob function. Carefully snap the key fob case back together, ensuring that all the edges are aligned. Press firmly until you hear a click, indicating that the case is securely closed. Now, test the fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle to confirm that it's working correctly. Try locking, unlocking, and the panic alarm. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. First, double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's making good contact in the fob. The positive side should face up toward the circuit board. If you notice any corrosion on the battery contacts, clean them gently with isopropyl alcohol using a soft cloth or cotton swab. In rare cases, you may need to reprogram the fob using the vehicle's ignition. Refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions, typically involving turning the key to the on position and pressing fob buttons. For optimal performance, consider replacing the battery every 2 to 3 years, even if it still works, to prevent unexpected failures.